Engineering this part, meaning there's no drawing. There's no drawing.
No drawing. So proportionally, we have to enlarge all the part to make this diameter to be exact as this one.
No, this is what happens when people look for perfection. What time is it? There's nothing wrong with that. What you're worried about, this piece in the back? We'll do a secondary right now. Don't worry about it. Or else you buy a machine with a sub spindle and we grab it from the back and just machine the back side. I think it looks nice. It looks like a doorknob, but it's a finial. When I design mine, you'll see we're going to make the finial in a way that's easy to make. But now, let's say you already have the drawing. How do you get the drawing that you have now, like the one that's on the main level, to be on level 45 or whatever that is?
All right, what you do is you click on this level button here.
Where is that?
It's got to select your entities.
Oh, you select everything in one shot, the whole drawing.
Yeah, exactly.
Gotcha.
I didn't get it like that.
Oh, by the way, I'm videotaping you, so don't cuss.
And then you click on your level button.
The level button is where?
Here. Alright, and it said move, use active level, but you can actually uncheck that, and if you wanted to, put it between them. But let's say active, it's going to go to the one that's now active, so that's how that works. You have to go through that.
Okay, but see, the whole thing is like, if he drew the whole part, but we want to use levels and play with this thing, you got to copy the whole original original drawing to the second level, and then later delete it or change it, right, to keep the original.
No, you don't have to copy it. You just move things around and add and take away. You don't necessarily have to copy.
It looks like we're trying to make a faucet here. This would be the end. This would be the other side connecting to the adapter that we had to turn on the other side of this thing. You can't do this like this, but this is nice. I like that.
Certain things are done in a sequence for your own good, because you don't miss that in a sequence. If you do it randomly, it's easy to miss.
Tool changes. Now we shut the water off and already drilled the hole just so you guys can see this thing, or it'll be pretty wet.